In this video, we're going to Pats and Genos.
Yes.
And we're going to figure out which one is better
Yes.
in Philadelphia. But first, this. Hey guys, it's your girl Desire to Inspire, aka Shay. How are you guys today? And of course, we have right here
Mission and Adventures. Live your dream today.
and we are Mitchell's Magical Moments. If you're into Disney, travel, food, whatever, it's fun. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click on that bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a brand new video so you can be a part of the notification squad. Hashtag notification squad. Make sure to comment below and let us know if you are a part of the notification squad so we can welcome you to the squad.
Yeah.
Hey. All right, get this video started right now. There it goes. Pats.
Damn.
There it go. And Genos. We're not going to find parking, are we?
No, but we probably might find it over.
Ooh, that was a nice bump. The Genos. Oh my goodness. I am so excited.
Your destination is on the right.
I know it is, boo. I know it is. Yo, look at Genos. That joint is beast mode in real life.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just got myself the cheese steak from Genos. Cheesesteak. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait to show you guys what this is. This is amazing.
As you see from the video intro,
Yes.
we are in Philadelphia right now.
Woo, yes.
We are on our way to South Carolina to go meet with family and everything.
Definitely.
And we had to stop at Genos and Pats. Okay?
Yes, Genos and Pats, the two rivalries.
Show it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so pumped up.
Yes.
Now, Pats is the original Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
Yeah.
Or, since we're in Philly, just a cheesesteak.
But Genos said they're the best, so let's see how the best
Let's see how they do it. Yeah. So we're going to first try Pats because Pats is the original. So, all right, I'm going to open this up. It smells really good. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Look at the sea sauce on that thing.
Ooh.
Look at the cheese on the show them. Look at that cheesy goodness right now. Look at that cheesy goodness. Oh, nah. Look at that cheesy goodness right there.
Look at that. So this is Pats, the original.
Oh man.
Here you go. Take it. Now these is with Cheese Whiz.
These are with Cheese Whiz. We're not gonna play this game.
They both got Cheese Whiz.
They both got Cheese Whiz. So we're gonna use which Cheese Whiz is good, which is the best.
Messy. All in my car. My poor car interior. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Take a bite.
Right.
Oh shoot! I took a little bit of a bite by mistake. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. My interior, I'm dropping a lot of cheese in my car. But, ooh. Wow. I ain't never been on that adventure. Let me just wipe up all the mess I'm making.
And wipe up that part.
I know, I gotta wipe up everything. I gotta clean the whole car.
Nice.
Very chewy.
Very chewy.
Bread is really good.
Bread is good. It has a lot of meat in it. I like it. This is really cheesesteak, guys. This is when you come to Philly, you come to Philly for some real cheesesteak. Now, what do you think?
I think the Cheese Whiz is really good. I think it's really good. But I'm gonna take one more bite, and we're gonna try Genos. Okay.
No, one more bite.
That's my one more bite. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna put this over here. This poor car's like, what are you doing?
You're messing me up.
Yeah, we really are. All right, next is Genos. So Pat's is the original. Pat's the one that made the cheesesteak sandwich.
Yes.
Genos is the one that said that they perfected it. So let's look at Genos real quick. Now, Corey forgot to have them cut it in half. Just break it. Here, can you break it like that? Oh my gosh. Did you put cheese whiz in it?
Yeah, I told him whiz.
Okay. That's good. Woo. All right. Not a really nice cut because Corey forgot to tell him to cut it in half. But here's the steak.
The steak.
Now, Genos, I don't know.
Genos is a little...
I mean, Pat's had more cheese. I don't know. Let's try.
3,
2, 1. Wow. So, all right. Okay. Okay, the cheese would have a little more, like a little kick to it.
Yeah. They have some flavor into the cheese whiz.
This is Genos again. Remember, we ordered the sandwiches the same. Cheese whiz and onions. Okay. Genos has... I don't know.
Their steak is sliced thin. But it's not chopped up.
Yeah.
It's not chopped up. It's light. It's not heavy.
Yeah, and their bread is softer.
Its bread is very soft.
But I don't know. As a New Yorker, I like the hard bread because we like hard buns.
It really depends on how you like your bread and how you like your meat, and especially all the cheese sauce. Now, how can I give this the decision? Because
we'll discuss it.
We'll have to discuss it and we'll give you a final verdict. But because now our favorite is Sonny's.
Yeah, remember guys?
Our favorite is Sonny's. So you got melt in your mouth, great cheese whiz and great bread, thick cheese whiz and a lot of meat. So I have to compare all those two.
I mean, they're both really good. They're both really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Just both really, really, really different. So we're gonna eat and then we'll come back to you guys and we'll tell you what we think.
Okay.
So we'll be right back. I'm gonna finish eating. Hey guys. So it's like 2 days later, right?
Yeah, 2 days.
Woo. And right now,
that drive was really a long drive.
I cannot believe that you drove 12 hours straight. I was waiting for you to be like, yo, help me here. But no, he just kept on driving and driving and driving.
Yeah, I did it before, so I was, I told her I was going to be able to do it.
That's like 12 hours, guys. 12 hours straight.
It's possible, but we did some stopping.
And we took some naps too.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
quick ones.
So right now we're in South Carolina.
Yes.
And we've been talking a lot about what we felt like was the best cheesesteak between Pats and Genos.
Yeah, between Pats and Genos.
Pats and Genos.
Yeah.
And you want to tell them the honest? Give me honest?
Pats.
Pats.
I'm sorry, guys. It's Pats.
I think it's Pats, yeah.
Yeah.
And the reason why is because their bread is much more filling.
Yeah.
Their meat is much more thicker.
Yeah.
So when you bite it, when you take a bite, it's like a whole chunk. And on top of that,
the cheese whiz is thick.
It's thicker. Yeah.
It's thicker than Genos. The reason why we didn't choose Genos is because the meat was thin.
It wasn't cut a lot, or it didn't have like a whole stack of meat on it, but it was thin cut. It was, like I said in the video, it was light.
Yeah.
And the cheese was light, but it had flavor.
Has good flavor.
And don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking Geno's sandwich, because compared to New York, please, we're not knocking the sandwich.
But it's just that the bread was just, in my opinion,
to her, it was, you know,
gummy.
Yeah, from a New York standpoint, you know, you like your bread.
Gummy.
It was kind of gummy. And if you like soft bread, you would choose Geno's, of course, if you like that type of food. But if you want a real sandwich thick with meat and the salt, the cheese sauce, the cheese whiz, I will go with Pats.
Yeah.
Now,
it's all about personal preference and like what you would like. But it's always funny to watch these videos and see different people's preferences.
But at the end of the day, I'll say this: they both win because everybody keeps coming there.
Everybody keeps going down there and making the same content.
Everybody keeps coming there.
Buying both sandwiches.
So in a sense, they both win when it comes to tourists because they're getting money in there.
When it comes to the green,
and they both win. So they should both be proud of the sandwich that they made.
And they both open 24/7.
Yeah. So, you know, Geno's, when they say they're the best, they're the best. And Pat say they're the king. But y'all could just go back and forth with who's what. But they're both prospering. So that's what I like about it. And that's something they probably have to just think about. I know, you know, they can go have a friendly battle, see which one is the best and all that stuff. But in the end, they should just think about, you know what, we both winning this battle.
Exactly.
Instead of this, you know, otherwise, if you're not winning this battle, one would have just been out of business right now.
It's the truth.
It would have been out of business right now. One of y'all would have been out of business, but that's not the case. So technically, you're both winners in a sense.
Exactly.
But if you want to say specifically, we think Pats. Pats is the winner out of that.
Now, if our favorite place that we drove 2 hours for is Sonny's.
Now
on Market Street.
Okay. Now, if I'm comparing all the sandwiches that we just ate, the Geno's, Pats, and Sonny's, we're gonna say Sonny's.
Yeah.
Why? Sonny's melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
In a sense.
But Geno's is like gummy.
Yeah.
Like the bread is kind of gummy.
Yeah.
I guess they're trying to get that melt in your mouth kind of thing.
Yeah.
But
it's just
not Pats, but Sonny's
got that down pat.
They got it down pat. You bite into it, you're like,
Yeah.
I don't know. What is your favorite cheesesteak in Philly? And to my Philadelphians who know these streets, what place do you recommend? 'Cause I know they recommend different places like gems.
Yeah.
We go to the touristy spots.
Yeah. So when we asked them, we wanted to, you know, first time we wanted to come down there, we said, like, you know, we got to try Geno's and Pat's, because Pat's is this and that. The locals said, you know, you should try Sonny's. Sonny's is the best. Whatever like that. I'm like, oh, you really? You think? I said, well, if the locals, some of the locals think so. Then I said, well, why not we go for Sonny's? Then when we taste Sonny's,
our whole life has changed.
Yeah, our whole life changed.
Matter of fact, as we go back up to New York, we're gonna stop at Sonny's.
Yeah,
because we're just gonna. Yeah, that's a stop. But Sonny's closed at 10 o'clock. Yeah. Pats and Genos are open 24/7.
Yeah. So it's a decision, but yeah. So if any of y'all really want to come and get some really good cheesesteak, go to Philly.
Now, which place? That's to be debated.
That's to be debated. I will not say go to Marketplace or anything like that. Just go to the places like go to Pat's, Geno's, or Sonny's. Those are the three places that we will probably recommend y'all to go if y'all really want some good cheesesteak sandwiches. Okay. Yeah. So anything else you want to say?
That's it.
I mean, yeah.
You know you got to end it with fireworks. So, stay inspired.
And always, guys, make every day magical.
Take care, guys. Bye!